See, guys, our team is now a complete team. I don't see any reason why we should not compete for the Premier League title next season. I don't see any reason. And I don't see any reason why we should not go and win the Champions League. See, next season, I'm seeing Chelsea winning the Premier League and the Champions League. Yes, the best club in the world. What a wow. After winning this match, yes, we won another trophy. Do you know that? Yes, 2 trophies in a row. I never see it. In the history of football, I never see a team who used 3 days and won 2 trophies. Unless Chelsea. And Enzo Maresca tactical masterclass is now working. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Football Lions. You can call me Rich Man. In fact, guys, what a time to be a Chelsea fan. What a time for us to be a Chelsea fans, guys. A sweet time like Ghana Jollof and not Nigerian Jollof. Ladies and gentlemen, do you know what even surprised me here? Pedro. When Chelsea was signing this guy, I knew very well that Pedro is a good player. Pedro is a talented player. But I wasn't having that awareness that he will come and just adapted to Enzo Maresca tactics like that. I wasn't aware that he will come and just start banging in the goals, scoring as the goals, giving as the goals. I thought maybe because we are having that striking problem, if Pedro come, it will not be easy for him. But guys, can you believe this? 5 games for Chelsea, 5 goals. Almost each game, 1 goal per game. 1 goal per game for Pedro. I can't believe this. And this player, one thing I even like about him is that, like, he doesn't miss chances. Like, a chance you say that he can't score, he will bury it. The last game against Bayer Leverkusen, look at the goal that he scored. Yes, look at the shot power from him. Against Fluminense, look at the place in the angle, the corner he put the ball. And this game, look at the header. See, Pedro is the striker we've been crying for even under Abramovich. I'm telling you, this kind of strikers we lack and we miss in our Chelsea team over the past years ago and even last season under Enzo Maresca. See, guys, we are lucky for signing Pedro. We are lucky for getting Pedro. See, Pedro is going to make this season Premier League easy and simple for us. I'm telling you. Let's just pray that injuries run away from these young players. Pedro is coming to win as the Premier League. Pedro is coming to make it an easy. Now, we don't have that problem again. The only thing that can stop Chelsea, as I continue saying, that injuries, and they are part of football. We recently saw what happened to Liverpool, and maybe our manager overthinking at some point of the season. And I don't think it will happen because now this is his 2nd season in the Premier League. So for me, I believe that Enzo Maresca has learned a lot. So guys, Pedro is a complete striker. We are lucky to have him. See guys, we have to thank God for having Pedro. And let's come to another player, Liam Delap. See, Chale. Whether Liam Delap is playing, whether Pedro is playing, we are scoring. Which striker are we going to start with? I don't care nowadays. When the starting 11 come in Chelsea games nowadays, be it Pedro, be it Liam Delap, I'm good to go as a Chelsea fan. I will not complain. I will not shiver. I will not panic. No. Because I know that if Liam Delap also get the chance, he will bury it. He is scoring all the... Liam Delap scored brace in this game. Look at the finishing, the open play goal that he scored. Look at the shot power from him. Even the penalty. Look at the angle. Even Magnon saw it. He saw the direction, but he could not save it because of the direction and the shot power from Liam Delap. And that should be the shot power of a striker for Chelsea. Hit the ball very well. Hit the ball on point. Hit the ball with a direction. Ladies and gentlemen, we are good to go. Currently, I can't say that Chelsea will still have striking problem. No. After having Liam Delap and Pedro, we are good to go. And let's come to another fantastic player, Gings. See, this guy, this is his 1st season with Chelsea. Yes, his 1st season to come in the Premier League. I am giving Gings 6 months in the Premier League. If Gings adapt very well, see, no defender is stopping Gings. See, the guy is a skillful player. When we come to 1v1, taking on his markers, he is on point, super good on that. So this is a new environment, new team. 6 months in the Premier League, Gings is going to adapt. And if he adapt, he will scoring, was assisting, was taken on his markers. Because I can see it in him. I can see like the winger potential in Jamie Gings. See, Jamie Gittins is going to kill top Premier League players. See, they are dead. They are dead. Premier League defenders, they can't wait for Jamie Gittins. They can't withstand Jamie Gittins' moves, his skills, his dribbles, his take-ons. We are good to go. And let's come to another young talented player, Estival. Before we go there, guys, please just remind you, don't forget to hit the like button and hit the subscription button for this video to reach more Chelsea fans. See, for Estival there, I see him as a complete attacker. I will not say Estival is a complete winger, because when we come to the cam position, he is deadly. When we come to the wing position, he is deadly. Even the way for me, I'm seeing Estival, he can play as a striker because of his shot power, because of his powerness, because of his strength, energetic. When Estival is on the ball, he always wants to do something. He always wants to prove something. He always wants to score. Guys, we are lucky. See, we rob Palmeiras. Chelsea, we rob Palmeiras for paying 60 million for Estival. We have to go back and pay another 60 million. He hasn't played a professional or official Premier League game for Chelsea. But what we saw from our two eyes, our naked eyes, guys, what we saw through our naked eyes. I keep on saying it every day that this guy is bringing Ballon d'Or to Chelsea. Like, look at his enthusiasm, the zeal on the ball, like the power, the eagerness, the anger to score. It has been a long time I see Chelsea player as this. A player who can shoot from any distance. Estival doesn't care. Estival doesn't care whether he's in the middle of the pitch, whether he's at the goal post. He wants to score. He wants to shoot and score. And look at his shootings. Not on the air. Estival shootings always hit on target. Always hit on target. We are good to go. Ladies and gentlemen, let's come to our midfield in this game. For this, our midfield, I will not talk a lot because already we saw it last season. Some of us were even surprised when the Ballon d'Or nominee came. We didn't see Caicedo name and Enzo name, yes, on that list. We are surprised. I don't know why. No. McAllister and co. Even Vinicius didn't deserve the Ballon d'Or nominee. So many players on the nominee, they didn't deserve it. This season, they didn't play very, very well. But Caicedo and Enzo, I don't know why. I just don't know. Especially Caicedo. Even Premier League Player of the Season, they refused to nominate him. They didn't nominate him. I don't know. Maybe because he's not an English player, or I don't know. Because, see, this season in the Premier League, how many midfielders play more than Caicedo? Show the display, quality performance, tacklings, everything. Even Caicedo tacklings, referees can see it. Can you believe that? Caicedo clean tacklings, referees see it as foul. Meanwhile, it is not foul. Caicedo will just do a clean super tacklings. A referee can see it because he is a good, because he is super magician. Caicedo is magician, super magician. He is more than a human. Caicedo is a good. Ladies and gentlemen, our midfield is now like, I can't compare Chelsea midfield. Initially or earlier, I was comparing our midfield to PSG midfield. But as we saw in the final, yes, we just scattered their midfield. So this our midfield, we are good to go. Even if Caicedo is not there, Esugo is there. Someone who look like Caicedo. Anytime that I see Esugo playing, in fact, I can't differentiate them. Esugo and Caicedo. Everything on point, similar, homogeneous. Ladies and gentlemen, our midfield next season, any team who is trying to play through our midfield, you are dead. It can't happen. It can't happen. And let's come to our wingers. See, for our wingers there, be it Estival, be it Neto, be it Gittins, who is playing, we are good to go. And one thing I saw from this our midfield, which I like, is now our crosses into the box. Yes, last season we were doing it, but because we didn't have a striker to convert it, that is why some of us were hailing Chelsea should go and bring Osimhen because of those crosses, those air balls. But Alhamdulillah, we thank God. Yes, now Pedro is converting them. Anytime that Jamie Gittins, or look at Pedro first goal, the heading, yes, from Pedro Neto. He crossed the ball into the box. He just jumped and met it on the air, put the ball at the back of the net. So now I can see that it is looking like our crosses. We now have someone, yes, to convert them, yes, to carry them. And as I said, the crosses from our wingers, I like it. That was the problem we were having with Madueke. Anytime that he was having the ball, he want to dribble till he score by himself. Selfishness, yes. But this time around, I can see even Caicedo is giving that through pass. Caicedo is now moving forward. Yes, giving that breakthrough lamp pass, defensive breakthrough lamp pass, and even I can see our Marco Kurela, the best striker in the world, is now also in the box recently, want to score. See, guys, our team is now a complete team. I don't see any reason why we should not compete for the Premier League title next season. I don't see any reason. And I don't see any reason why we should not go and win the Champions League. See, next season, I'm seeing Chelsea winning the Premier League and the Champions League. Ladies and gentlemen, and one thing I observe in this game is now our quick passes and our early passes. If any player pick a round, they give the ball to him. They give him a pass. That is football. Football, no team is bad, especially at this level. And football play by spaces. If you get the space, make good use of it. Put the ball there and go and score. Don't wait till your opponent go back and sit deep or park the bus and you are not trying to break them. No. Immediately they come out to score. If you get the ball, nobody should waste time on the ball. Early pass, quick pass, pam, pam, pam. And I saw it in this game. This time around, I'm not seeing that slow football we were seeing some time ago last season. No. This time around, our passes are quick, on point. And let's come to our manager himself. Enzo Maresca came out with the trophies, the Club World Cup trophies and the Conference League, yes, and gave it to Enzo Fernandez and Reece James to showcase it to the fans, yes, to Chelsea fans around the world. Yes, the best club in the world. What a wow. After winning this match, yes, we won another trophy. Do you know that? Yes, 2 trophies in a row. I never see it. In the history of football, I never see a team who used 3 days and won 2 trophies. Unless Chelsea. And Enzo Maresca tactical masterclass is now working. Now our players understood Enzo Maresca tactics on point. See, now everybody understood the way and manner, the style of play of Enzo Maresca. And we should give that credit to Enzo Maresca. See, it's not easy. A manager just come and players understood his tactics. That means that the manager is good. That means that the manager is doing the right things. We saw it. We are seeing it at our brothers there. Since last season up to now, they can't tell the tactics their manager is playing. But Enzo Maresca, so far so good. Every Chelsea fan can tell the tactics. You can now predict our tactics and our style of play. And it is all down to our manager. Ladies and gentlemen, I don't want this video to be long. Maybe if any latest news come about our transfers, because the transfer window hasn't closed, I will update you. I will let you know on this channel, Football Lions. So please tell another football fan, another Chelsea fan about this channel, Football Lions. And don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscription button for this video to reach more Chelsea fans on the YouTube algorithm. Take care, peace.